Hi everybody, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to add the quit button. So try the exercise yourself, and if you get stuck, don't worry, the solution is about to come up. So let's get started. First of all, let's duplicate the shoot button. You don't need to duplicate it, you could also add a new button of your own. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna change the text from shoot to quit. And let's not forget to change the name of the button to button quit. Now we need to link the button. We already have a link, so we're going to disconnect that and we're going to connect a new method. So here we go. Now let's just test it. We're going to print quit pressed, so we will know whether the link is working or not. Let's test it. Moving the window out of the way. Yeah, it's working. Every time I press a quit button, the output shows the text quit pressed. Okay, let's move on. I would like to figure out how to quit, so I'm going to search for it. Godot quit from script. Let's see. Is there a way to close game using GDScript? Get3.quit. Oh, let's see if that works. Get3.quit. So let's test it. Yeah, it works. When we press the quit button, it closes. Of course, we didn't really need to add this button. We could have just used the little X in the top corner. But this was just an exercise to give you some hands-on experience adding your own button and linking it to some GDScript. Okay, thanks for watching. In the next video we're going to add 2 sliders. These sliders will be used for determining the angle and the strength with which to shoot the ball. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.